Forget the spec sheet for a second. Here is what the ACEMAGIC Retro X5 Mini is actually like to use. Let me tell you, this tiny powerhouse of a PC packs a punch that will blow your mind. You know how sometimes you need a device that's going to crush your workflow, your gaming sessions, and your productivity? Well, forget about mediocre machines that can barely get the job done. The ACEMAGIC Retro X5 Mini is like a force of nature, delivering desktop-caliber performance in the palm of your hand. It's like having an absolute powerhouse processor, a beast of a graphics card, and all the RAM you need to tackle even the most demanding tasks. The AMD Ryzen AI 9 HX370 processor, for example, is like having a supercomputer at your fingertips. This thing is a speed demon, delivering faster speeds than those older processors just sitting on the shelf. And when it comes to gaming, this machine delivers buttery smooth displays and lightning-fast performance. You'll be playing games in 8K resolution with silky smooth frame rates, no buffering or lag to ruin your experience. But what really sets the ACEMAGIC Retro X5 Mini apart is its retro-inspired design that's just plain cool. Classic home console colors and elements meet modern industrial design, creating a nostalgic vibe that's simply awesome. This machine isn't just functional. It's a statement piece for your living room or workspace. And with all the bells and whistles like USB 4, Gigabit Ethernet, and Bluetooth 5.4, you'll be enjoying wireless connections that are fast, stable, and reliable. I can remember one time when I was working on a project that required maximum productivity, and this machine just took it to another level. I had multiple screens open at once, streaming data in real time, editing videos, and all while maintaining seamless performance. It was like having an entire team of assistants working for me without breaking the bank. So here's my verdict. If you're looking for a powerhouse that can keep up with your most demanding tasks, forget about mediocrity. The ACEMAGIC Retro X5 Mini is your ticket to unparalleled performance and reliability. Don't bother with those flimsy, slow machines that just won't cut it in today's fast-paced world. Get this PC, and you'll be singing its praises for a long time. But let's get real, the only reason anyone might want to skip this is if they're on a super tight budget or need something for simple web browsing. If gaming and productivity are your top priorities, then the ACEMAGIC Retro X5 Mini is the ultimate machine for you. So who should not buy this? Honestly, it's not for those who only do basic tasks like checking email, social media, or maybe some light streaming. This PC is meant for serious gamers, content creators, and professionals who need raw power to get the job done. If that's you, then buckle up, because this machine is about to take your workflow to new heights. Subscribe if you want someone to do the research so you don't have to. The link is in the description. Take care, see you in the next video.